Making Money Online, A Guide to Profiting in the Digital Age. Introduction. In today's digital age, the internet has become a powerful platform for various opportunities, including the potential to earn money. Making money online has evolved from a mere novelty to a substantial source of income for many individuals. The internet offers a wide array of options, and whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there are numerous ways to profit from the online world. 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing. Various platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, connect freelancers with clients seeking a wide range of services. Whether you're skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or any other field, you can find clients willing to pay for your expertise. Freelancing provides flexibility, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home or anywhere with an internet connection. With dedication and a strong work ethic, you can build a steady income stream in this gig economy. 2. Blogging and content creation. If you have a passion for writing, creating videos, or expressing yourself, consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or a podcast. Content creators can earn money through various channels, such as advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling merchandise or digital products. While it may take time to build a substantial audience and monetize your content, creating high-quality, niche-specific content can lead to significant earnings over time. 3. E-commerce. Starting an online store and selling products is another lucrative option. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon make it relatively easy to set up a virtual storefront. You can sell physical products, digital goods, or a combination of both. Dropshipping, where you don't have to hold inventory, is a popular approach that minimizes upfront costs. E-commerce requires dedication, but it can be incredibly profitable if you identify the right niche and employ effective marketing strategies. 4. Online surveys and market research. If you're looking for quick and simple ways to make money online, participating in online surveys and market research can be a viable option. Many companies pay individuals to provide feedback on products, services, and advertisements. While the earnings may not be substantial, it's an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media, and earning a commission for every sale generated through your referral. Affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ShareASale, and ClickBank are popular choices for affiliate marketers. Successful affiliate marketing depends on choosing products or services relevant to your audience and implementing effective marketing strategies. 6. Online education and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider sharing your knowledge through online courses or consulting services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Clarity.fm allow you to create and sell online courses or offer consulting services, respectively. Online education and consulting can provide a steady income stream and establish you as an authority in your niche. Conclusion. The internet offers an abundance of opportunities to make money online, and the possibilities continue to expand as technology evolves. Whether you're looking for a flexible side hustle or a full-time career, there's something for everyone in the digital realm. Keep in mind that while the internet offers numerous opportunities, success often requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to changing trends. So, explore your options, find your passion, and take the first step toward profiting from the vast world of online opportunities.